When you search for the best bald head shavers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, SHPAVVER 7D Head Shaver. First up is the SHPAVVER 7D Head Shaver. At around $40.96, this one really caught my eye with its unique detachable head feature. If you want a clean, effortless shave every time, this is worth a serious look. The SHPAVVER offers a 7-way floating head, which means it can easily adapt to the curves of your head and face. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or with shaving foam, which is great for those who prefer a wet shave. The ergonomic design also makes it comfortable to hold for longer periods, which is a big plus if you shave regularly. And with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly making waves. But hey, some users did mention that the motor could be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power and efficiency, a little noise might not be a deal breaker. If you're someone who values quality over quietness, this shaver could be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective shaver that's easy to clean. Skip this one if you need something super quiet or luxurious. At this price, it's a solid choice for anyone wanting a reliable shave. Now, if the idea of noise bothered you, the next option might actually be quieter and just as effective. Product number 2, Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro SX5. Next up is the Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro SX5, priced at about $98.62. This one really stood out because of its ergonomic design that fits perfectly in your hand. If you want a smooth, hassle-free shave, this is definitely worth considering. The Pitbull Silver features advanced blade technology that ensures a close and comfortable shave without nicks or cuts. This means you don't have to worry about painful razor burns, which is crucial if you have sensitive skin. It's also designed for wet and dry use, so you can switch it up based on your mood or routine. With thousands of positive reviews and over 3,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some folks found the battery life not as long-lasting as they hoped. Here's my take: while it could use an upgrade, most people aren't shaving for hours on end. If you're someone who prefers quick touch-ups, this won't be a huge concern. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable with a sleek design for daily use. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-long battery life for extensive grooming sessions. For the quality, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more versatility. Product number 3, Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro 7000. Now let's talk about the Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro 7000, priced at $126.79. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its 360 degrees flexing head. If you want the most comfortable shave possible, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the flexibility of the head allows it to adapt to every contour of your scalp, making it easier to get that close shave without missing spots. The positive reviews are pouring in, with over 2,000 units sold recently. However, a few users reported that the charging time can be longer than expected. Here's the thing, though, if you can plan ahead and charge it overnight, you'll be fine. If you're in a rush and need to shave quickly, this might be a little frustrating. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and precision in your shaving routine. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick charge and go option. Given its performance, it's a worthy investment for those who care about their grooming. Next up, if you want something that combines performance with a bit of flair, you'll want to check out the following shaver. Product number 4, Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro GX5. This brings us to the Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro GX5, which is priced at $153.46. I was honestly surprised by how well this one performed. It really feels premium. If you want something that screams quality, this might be the one. The GX5 is equipped with a more powerful motor, which means a faster and smoother shave. It also includes a smart battery indicator, so you know exactly how much power you have left. No more unexpected dead batteries mid-shave. It's also waterproof, so you can use it in the shower just like the others. With reported sales of over 2,000 units last month, it's definitely gaining popularity. Of course, one downside is its price point. It's on the higher end. But here's my perspective. If you're serious about your grooming and want something that delivers a top-notch experience, this is worth the investment. You'll appreciate the results. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, efficient shaver that looks and feels premium. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For the performance you get, it's a worthy addition to your grooming routine. And if you're looking for something that combines multiple functions without breaking the bank, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 5, Wicklaus 5-in-1 Electric Razor. Finally, we have the Wicklaus 5-in-1 Electric Razor priced at $55.80. This one caught my eye because it offers so much versatility. If you want a comprehensive grooming solution, this is definitely worth your attention. This shaver comes with 5 essential attachments, including a hair trimmer and a cleansing brush, making it more than just a head shaver. The 7D floating head technology adapts to your scalp, while the double-layer blade system helps capture all hair lengths without irritation. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can shave wet or dry, which is super convenient. It's already sold over 2,000 units, showing that people are loving it. On the downside, some users mentioned that it's not as powerful as the higher-end models. But here's the truth, if you're looking for versatility on a budget, you might find this more than sufficient for your grooming needs. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one grooming tool without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're strictly after a high-power shaver for daily use. For what it offers, it's a fantastic deal. So to wrap it up, we've covered the SHPAVVER 7D for budget-conscious users, the Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver for those wanting ergonomics, the Philips Norelco for comfort seekers, the Premium Pitbull Gold for high-performance lovers, and the versatile Wicklaus 5-in-1 for those who need multifaceted grooming. Each has its strengths and a few areas for improvement, so pick the one that best fits your needs.